How to log in or sign in to ADP Workforce Now Employee Portal account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in ADP Workforce Login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website, login and support, adp.com, open it. You will be directed to the official website. Now here you're going to find this section, Employee Login, Administrator Login, and Accountant Login. Click on the option of Employee Login. You will be directed to the login page. Now from this page, you are able to access your account. All you have to do is provide your credentials. So go ahead and type in your user ID. Then, if you want to remember your user ID, check in for this option. In the case you have forgotten your user ID and want to recover it, click on this option and recover it. Once you fill this, click on next, and in the next page you will need to type in the password and confirm it. With that, you will be logged into your account. Well, this way you can easily log into ADP Workforce Now Employee Login account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.